Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I'm about to show you how you can delete Signal account permanently on your device. I'll be showing you step-by-step method on how you can delete Signal account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure that you've updated your application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your Signal application. As you open up your Signal application, the interface looks something like this. So then in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on your profile icon, on the other page you have a multiple options, so then tap on account, and once you do that, right at the bottom you can see there is delete account. Deleting your Signal account will delete all your information and your data, which means that you won't be able to store it after you delete your account. In order to proceed, you'll have to enter your phone number that is linked with your Signal account. So first of all, select your country, and after that type in your phone number, and after that tap on delete account. Right in center there's a confirmation, and in case if you're sure about deleting your account, tap on delete account. You can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted. As I've already mentioned before, that once deleted you won't be able to restore it again in case you change your mind, so then you'll have to create a new account. So that is how you can delete your Signal account permanently on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.